Hello! This year, the Mount Vernon School District will have 2 replacement levy proposals on the February 12th ballot. The community is accustomed to being asked to reauthorize school levies every couple of years, but I want to talk about what's different this time around. Recent legislative action has reduced our operations levy rate by 66%, effective January 2019. This brings long overdue tax relief to our taxpayers. To make up for the loss of levy revenue, the legislature increased school funding by raising the state property tax for schools. The problem this has created is that increase in the school funding from the state does not make up for the rising operating costs and the reduction of the levy funds. As a result, the Mount Vernon School District has a projected budget shortfall of $4.5 million. This places a lot of services to students at risk. These services include technology and security that have been funded by our operations levy. To ensure the continuation of these initiatives, we are requesting an increase in our technology and security levy. You're probably wondering, what does this mean to you as a taxpayer? Currently, taxpayers are paying $3.93 per $1,000 of assessed value for our operations levy and 49 cents for our technology and security levy. Together with the state tax portion, the total tax rate for schools was $7.31 per $1,000 of assessed value. Our proposed replacement operations levy asks voters to approve a decrease of $2.43, and our technology and security levy asks voters to approve an increase of 52 cents. This would bring the total tax rate for schools down to $5.40 per $1,000 of assessed value. Big picture? This February, the Mount Vernon School District is asking you to consider approving an overall reduction in property tax while helping to support critical technology and security initiatives for our students. So please remember to vote by February 12th. Thank you.